Hey, what's up guys, it's Kevin here, and today I'm going to show you the Binance platform from A to Z. As we know that Binance platform is a platform that is a worldwide platform, and this platform you can trade Bitcoin wherever you are. You can also trade cryptocurrency wherever you are. It's the only platform that I see that is fit for everybody, because it's not like the other exchanges. It only accept some certain countries and do not accept some certain countries. So with Binance, you can pretty much trade crypto wherever you are in the world. So wherever you are in Africa, you are in US, you are in Europe, you are in Asia, you are in Australia, everywhere you can trade crypto using the Binance platform. I think this is the best platform because the other platforms do not accept people from other countries, which I think that is kind of weird. But with Binance, it accepts each and every country. So I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how you can buy crypto via card deposit, via debit card or credit card, via P2P trading, and via cash balance and third-party payment. That means I'm going to show you step by step on how you can buy crypto using all these methods over here. And another thing, I'm also going to show you how you can go to markets and pretty much trade every cryptocurrency coin that is available on the Binance platform. So each and every step I'm going to show you step by step. I know some of you guys are new to trading on Binance, so I'm just going to show you how you can trade. You can convert your coins from one coin to the other. You can use the classic trading interface, and you can use advanced trading interface. How you can trade margins, bank transfer via P2P, and trading strategy over here. I'm going to show you everything. Swap farming, farm token, whatever these are, I'm just going to show you what they are and how you can how you can use them on the Binance platform. Now, there is another thing here called derivatives. Derivatives is also something that is being offered by Binance, and I'm also going to show you how you can trade Binance futures, and how you can be responsible trading over here. I'm also going to show you how you can trade USD futures and Coin M futures. And also we have vanilla options, which I'm also going to show you how it works. And the leverage tokens, I'm also going to show you what leverage tokens are and how you can use them. And I'm also going to show you the battle between the win and long versus short, and also the derivative portals. Maybe this can be part 1 and this can be part 2, so that you can trade on the Binance platform. If you're new into the platform, you know a little bit of trading on Binance, pretty much. So how you can earn using Binance and using Launchpad, using savings, stakings, BNB vault, dual investment, liquidity farming, auto invest, and the Binance pool. I'm also going to show you how you can earn through all these methods over here. Another thing is finance. You can use Binance Finance Card, and you can also use crypto loans. And there is an introduction of a new NFT. A menu wasn't there before, but they're now introduced NFT menu. I'm also going to show you what NFT is and what it is about, and why did they actually introduce it on the Binance platform, how you can register on Binance platform, and how you can do pretty much everything when you're registering, so that you can, and how you can also log in, how you can pretty much do authentications. It's called the two-factor authentications on this while registering, so that your account can be you can be so sure with your Binance account, using if you have lots and lots of crypto over in there, this will pretty much be like your bank. So it should be very, very secure, and the step-by-step process on how you can secure your trades. You can secure your crypto on the Binance platform. Get into another video where I'll show you start to finish from here, which should be how you can register on the platform pretty much, and how you can start trading. So let's just study the interface of Binance. Maybe you will be watching this video in the future. Maybe this platform can change time to time, but as it stands now, you can register through the button, the yellow button over here, and another button over here. So you can register if you click any of these buttons over here, it will actually take you to pretty much the same place, because it's still registering. Maybe someone can miss this one, and pretty much you cannot miss the big button over here if you want to register online. So now there is another here. You can also change the language from English to whatever language that you want, because some people are not comfortable with English. So if you're from Italy, you can change Italiano, Romana, Svenska, Polski, Filipina, and all these. Okay, if you're from those countries, now you can know whatever the language you can choose from here. So you can choose also the currency that you want. With the default is US dollars. Look, if I change it to euro, then everything in the platform will show me the prices in euro. And if I change English to Italiano, everything will be in Italiano. So, and you can customize it the way you want, the language to be, the currency to be, so that you understand according to how you understand things on your own way. And there is a last button here on the dark mode, but if you click here, it toggles to light mode. So maybe some of you guys like the light mode, maybe you don't like the dark mode. You can just change it from there. If you will be trading crypto, then the darker mode, because most of the time you'll be on your screen, easy to the eyes. So these are now the multiple devices that you can trade on. So you have App Store. You can download it from App Store to your phone if you have an iPhone. And if you have an Android, this is the Android application, and you use the login information that I will show you here, so that you can pretty much log in into the devices that you have. And the Binance team also offer 27 support. Then you can just come over here and ask for the support. You can chat the Binance team. Actually, you should be logging into it, so that they can know who you are. Next screen, there is a blog. You can read pretty much everything from the blog. These are news from the Binance team. Today is 20th, and this is the blog for today. So you can just click and read whatever is going on the crypto world, and on the Binance, and all the information, all the news over here. So this is the blog. You can pretty much read everything there. And this is the community. Let me just go to the next tab, so that I can show you what communities look like. So this is the community. So for this community, each and every, like a continent, have their own community. Yeah. You can join them on Telegram, on Discord, on Facebook, on Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Vlondik. I think this is for Russian. Yes, you can pretty much join them from each and every social media that you like. So you can join them on Facebook. Maybe you can join them on Facebook, Telegram, and Discord, and also Twitter for maybe news. So for this button over here, and this one takes you to the same place, which is registering for the platform, so that you can register whatever you want from easy, so that you cannot miss the buttons. So pretty much you can read everything here so that you can understand the platform. But from the next video, I'm going to show you how you can register, because for all of these, most of these are in the menu or the sub menus here. You can only do them after registering in through the Binance platform. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can register for the platform and how you can do pretty much everything, so that you can prevent yourself from the malicious attacks from other malicious people. We have weird people out there, so I'm going to show you how you can do it. And if you follow step by step on this video, then you are going to master the Binance platform and you can trade with easy. And I'm going to take you from zero, from A to Z on this system. So let's get into the next video. Bye.